back at the home permission that I hit last Saturday, and I found those old buttons and the cuff links at. And I did just pick up another button. I'm sure it's not as old as the other ones were, but this one has a design on it, and it looks like a train engine and a coal car. Let's keep digging. Just found me another button. This looks like a flat button. Shank's broken. Let's keep digging. Okay, I just picked up another buckle. Very cool. Very nice. Good job, Ben. I did just manage to squeak out another button. This one's the size of a dime. Every one of them so far has been a different size, and but all right around this same 30-foot square. Just killing it right now. Button City here. Okay, here's a little wrap-up video. Seems when I got home and I started looking through things, I had some footage that just was lost. And it's unfortunate. It was my son Benjamin went out with me. He actually is the one who dug the large scent. He was using the Garrett Ace 250, which I gave to him once I got my AT Pro. And you know, he was very excited, and we just lost that footage. But here it is. We found out it's an 1800 draped bust, large set. It's the oldest coin between the two of us, so he's now beaten me in that category. And it's our one and only large cent ever. So, bucket lister for him. And I'm not sure what with the lost footage. I think there were some of these other buttons you didn't see, but the funny thing about that day was that we went 2 hours with finding hardly anything. It was a large property. It was back to the site where I found some other buttons and a buckle and a couple of silver dimes the week before. Actually, some of this stuff right here. And we got back out there, and I found this button with the locomotive engine on it, pretty much right away. And then it was just dead for 2 hours. It was starting to get dark. Thought we were gonna just go with pretty much skunked. In the last 20 minutes, half hour, all of a sudden we were in this one area, probably a 30 or 40 foot square, and it was like button after button after button, and a buckle, then a large cent, and it all happened, and it came right at the end, right at dusk, and you know, in a 20-minute, half-hour span. So saved the day. But I did pick up this button, which I think is very cool. I'm not sure what's going on there. I think it's a script I or J, but then I'm not sure what this circle looks like, a little wheel or something under it is. That was a neat find. I got this other big button here, coat button or dandy button, which seems to have some kind of design in it. It's the exact size of this one that I got that other previous week. They line up, but this one has a design in it that I don't see in the first one. I picked up this other little button here that seems to have like a starburst pattern in it. I'm not sure if you can see it. Full shank. This toasted button here. And the crusty old buckle. But yeah, that's the wrap up. Gonna have to be more careful, make sure I don't lose my footage, that I actually leave with what I think I have, because it would have been a much better video if you saw Benjamin's face when he first pulled that large scent. But que sera, sera. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy hunting.